And let's go back to market again. I'm being told there is a bloodbath in market, isn't it? There's a bloodbath in market.
Karthikeya, that's the right word that you've used. Bloodbath is actually, an adjective that can be used over here. We've got Shweta with us here from the newsroom. Of course, picture changes by the second, but what does it look like right now at the moment? Sensex, Nifty, Nifty 50, Adani Ports.
All major indices are down at the moment. Coming to you with Nifty 50 down by about 2.5 percentage points, which is about 600 points. Bank Nifty taking a heavy beating there, down by about 1,600 points, down 3.5%. Sensex down almost 2,000 points, about 3%. Now, this was, of course, unanticipated. A lot of brokerages were saying on counting day, bourses will open on a positive note. That hasn't really happened. Remember, yesterday was the best day for Nifty and Sensex. Both opened gap up of about 3.5%, closed at 3.5%. It's a massive sell-off that we're seeing in the markets today.
The exit polls and the kind of, confidence that it exuberated in the market because, status quo is going to be maintained. There's going to be continuity of policy as well. All of these factors is something that the market looks at very crucially and closely. And within a span of 24 hours, we're looking at this entire picture getting changed.
Volatility never works well for the market. So right now, the picture that is emerging from the number of seats that have been called is that it looks like there's going to be some sort of volatility going forward. So far, we were expecting a major win for the NDA. That is what investors were banking on. It may not be so right now. So domestic institutional investors are currently jittery at the moment. FI has been selling off for a while, but domestic investors are also not very happy.
Well, so market behavior, it seems like at the moment, Karthikeya, is jittery, and the right adjective to use here is certainly bloodbath. But like Shweta pointed out, this picture is changing by the second. We'll keep coming back to you with the latest details.
Okay. I think there's a big development is taking place. Sudha, before we let go of you, I want your comment on Andhra Pradesh. TDP is leading on 90 seats. YSRCP is leading on 10 seats. Others on 5. Congress is under. What has happened in Andhra Pradesh?
In Andhra Pradesh, there is anti-incumbency against Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Although his welfare policies work very well, anti-incumbency is a very, very important part. They want to give it to Chandrababu Naidu. Also, remember, today we are sitting here talking about Andhra Pradesh does not have a capital. So, the young people are very angry. They say we are neither here nor there. And Chandrababu Naidu, let's not forget, Cyberabad, a man who actually spoke about development. They wanted to
Babu is back?
Babu, I will not say it unless it happens.
Okay.
Unless the fat lady sings, we ain't calling this party over.
So TDP 15 seats in Lok Sabha, but I'm talking about assembly. Even in assembly, it's 90 plus to TDP.
Yes, absolutely. TDP is back because again, I said anti-incumbency is a factor. I'm very interested in what power star Pawan Kalyan is doing. I'm a big fan of his movies.
So you're saying that alliance work, that three
alliance, that the BJ, see, it's like this. If you want to put them in पायदान पे जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं, टॉप पे चंद्रबाबू, सेकंड बीजेपी, थर्ड इज जनसेना.